Here in Maine, we have problems with this thing telling me it's not starting, yet it has voltage. Why? Snow. No. Ice on the seat. Done with it. Our battery has 12.9 volts. This is fantastic news. Now I need a key. Why don't I have a key? I need a key. Where's the key? So we have a Troy Bilt Mustang Fit with a 30-something inch deck. No start. Put our choke on. All right, there's no e-brake. We just have our PTO. Our brakes on these things are built in to our handles. Let's see what happens. Sitting on the seat. We have nothing. No click. PTO is off. Let's give it a good jiggle anyway. And we have nothing. We've got a 20 amp fuse. Let's pull it and look. She busted.
Sure is.
So if you don't want to take the fuse out, you don't have to. You can actually set your multimeter to this little Wi-Fi signal for you youngins. When you touch these together, you can hear a beep. If you go from this point to this point, you hear nothing. So here's the new one. This terminal and this one, still got a beep. Good fuse. All right, give this a shot. Should crank.
One fuse. Because they have into here.